Parkland College is a 2-year career and technical education college offering 3 degrees in agriculture. The role of Parkland College in the ag industry is to prepare students to enter into the industry itself. We take the education here very seriously with our precision ag and our technology. We want to expose students to the latest and greatest that's on the market today, so when they walk out the door, they are prepared for the industry. We chose the Sony solution for our class because of its ease to use. It's very easy. We had everything in the box ready to go for first flight outside of charging the batteries. What we were wanting to capture is exactly what the Sony system is doing. The NDVI on the go is very important to us. While we want to teach the concept of vegetative indices and the band combination for an NDVI, to be able to have that on the go is important for our students to understand. The industry changes so fast in precision ag that it's almost impossible to keep up with. So the National Science Foundation grant has allowed us to work directly with the industry, and that is a pipeline for us in terms of educational material, and in return we can send students out into the industry ready to go.
Demand for drones in agriculture is increasing exponentially. More and more companies are wanting their employees to use the technology. They're looking for their employees to be trained and have that skill so that they're able to not only fly the drone, but collect the data and then be able to use the data in an actionable way.
I've been involved in remote sensing for a long time, and one of the biggest challenges that we've had is twofold. The timeliness of being able to get the imagery back for making decisions, and the second is the resolution of the imagery. So with satellites, we might be at best 30-meter resolution, or maybe even less than that at 10-meter. But still, that's not sufficient for agriculture today for precision ag. Then we have the manned aircraft as a platform that would carry sensors and capture imagery. Still, we have the issue of the turnaround time of being able to get that back to be able to make management decisions. But the UAS as our platform to carry sensors has been tremendous for us in the ag industry because it allows us to absolutely capture what we need in terms of resolution immediately in the field. With drones, we can capture imagery at 1 inch per pixel, not 30 meters per pixel. So when it comes for stand counts and being able to make management decisions, we have to have something with a resolution that allows us to do that. We use the data after capture by bringing it into the software, and then we allow our students to manipulate the NDVI image so that they can then pinpoint what areas of the field they should go back out and ground truth. And we're able to use that imagery then to make management decisions. What we need from a holistic approach is to be able to make those decisions immediately at the farm. A non-internet solution would be the best because there are areas that we still do not have broadband access. One of the key aspects that we're wanting to use it for is for stand counts. Right now, one of the best, easiest ways for us to validate the use of that imagery is to be able to fly early in the growing season, shortly after planting. And then we can continue to monitor and fly throughout the growing season, that we can look back using what our initial stand counts were to see if we had any differences in yield, should we have done any replant, made any replant decisions, etc.
I am a freshman studying precision agriculture. I plan to use all the precision agriculture that I learned in the next 2 years to go back to my family farm to help my parents run the farm.
This is my 3rd year here at Parkland. I'm going through the precision program now. We not only have a class that teaches to get certified to fly a UAV, but we also have courses after that with actually flying them and using them.
I would absolutely recommend this for the academic community. The ease of use, the software's ease of use makes it very appealing from an educational standpoint for creating labs, for creating opportunities for the students to use it. It's very much important for us to have that, and I would recommend it to any community college or university to pilot for their classrooms.